Hey guys, Simon Davis here, Zone Trader. Hope you've had a great week and your trading is getting better and better as you master your craft. Going through mine and also ICTs or other people's videos who you choose to be your mentor. This video is called How to Make Money in the Forex Market. I'm going to explain about the easiest way to make money in the Forex market. I'll break it down to the T in this video. Hopefully it'll be very easy to understand and you can start sniping and making money in the market straight after you've watched this video. And I also talk about 4-hour order block breakdowns and maybe, 4-hour breaker breakdowns and maybe 4-hour order block breakdowns as well. We could do 4-hour turtle soups also maybe. It all works the same. Turtle soups is what I was hoping to do today actually, but you can do it with order blocks and breakers. So, how to make money in the market. Clearly, in hindsight, this is a downtrend. It's a very powerful downtrend. You've got the 18 and the 9 EMA on the daily, blatantly telling you it's a downtrend. So, from when they cross, you'll only be looking for a sell. So on these days here, you just wait for the market to come up to a specific area, which we'll go into. So 918 EMA is going down. So from March 20th, 2017, we could have been looking for sells and up until present day. And it's actually in a reversal down here. I can tell because we've hit a significant order block level here. So, and if you'll watch my other videos, you'll know about order block, or if you've been through ICT stuff in Circle Trader, who's my mentor, this is all Inner Circle Trader stuff. There's an order block there, so therefore the market is gonna either pause and drop again or rally from here, because this is a significant order block on the daily. So what I do is I drop down to the hour, and what I've plotted here, guys, is the 432 EMA and the 216 EMA. And you're probably thinking, why those random numbers? The reason being is because I've times 9 and 18 by 24 to get to these EMAs. So this is basically a 9 and 18 EMA on the daily. So you can always see trends. So once the red, which is the 18 on the daily, and the green, which is the 9 on the daily, the red's over the green, you're still in a downtrend. Yeah, you might miss all this, and yeah, it's quite a lot of pips, it's 170 odd pips, but you want to be trading with institutional order flow. This is how you do it. So how do we enter? We enter in order blocks on the hour. So there's one. Up candle before the fast down move. Market comes back up, hits it, drops off. And you look to take profits below these here, and then take some off and then leave it on to ride. Take like some off your trade and leave some on to ride, and also move your stops to break even. Number one rule is in trading is protect your money. It's money management, and pay yourself first. We can also drag this one over here as well, where they reclaim this order block here. You see that one candle right there is reclaimed here for a short sell at 50 pips. I mean, my mentor aims for 25 to 50 pips a week. You can double your money if you know how to manage it well every year, and you can make millions in the industry just getting 20 to 25 pips a week when you know what you're doing. So there's a trade there. So basically what you would do is you would mark off all your order blocks. So it didn't hit this one. Hit this one and rally down. With this one, it's more of a up to take stops, so you've got like a turtle soup here as well. And on the 4 hour, that would be your 4 hour turtle soup. Either there or right, or here. So we'll go into that line later on. I'll just mark it blue. So there's a 4 hour turtle soup. I'll go into how to trade that more later on. So you're only looking for sells, guys. So there's an order block there. Price comes down, hits it, rallies off nicely. Look to take profits below this low here. So yeah, look to take profits below there. Change these back to red. So using red, and that blue one is what we're going to talk about later. So yeah, you look to take profits there. So this trade here on AJ is almost to the pip entry and 114 pips. You can leave some on and get a bit more if you wanted, but no need. Okay, so we have kind of an order block there. It's a bit of a sloppy one, so you might have missed this one. But I would say turtle soup is there as well. So you've got high, swooped, trade below there. You've also got a high, and then a line there, which is then your breaker there. So as you can see, guys, we're just literally trading in one direction with order blocks, turtle soups, and breakers in the direction of daily order flow. And this is how to guarantee yourself to make some money in the market as a beginner as well. Like, why would you want to trade consolidation if you're not very good at it? Why would you trade range bound markets if you're not very good at it? What I've thought is there's 28 pairs to choose from. What you do as a trader is you come on the charts and you basically go to the daily, have this on all your charts on the daily, the 9, 18 EMA. If you've got a clear downtrend or uptrend, just trade those. Like, look how many opportunities you would have got on this trend here. And day trading would have got loads. This is choppy, and then it drops again. Trading this is like, it's a whole different ball game. I've talked about trading range bound markets are a whole different ball game. You don't know when it's going to drop out of bed or rally way above the range. You don't know. So range bound markets are really uncertain. Like things like this, it's quite uncertain. But you can see a clear uptrend here, which would have been nice to trade this style, and clear downtrend here. So you just look for downtrends on the daily with the 918 EMA. Trade hourly order blocks, breakers, turtle soups. This will be almost hit it there, but this will be a 4 hour order block. If you joined all these candles up, you'd get the 4 hour order block there. And look how price respects it beautifully on the EMA, I know as well, but that's nothing I look for. Just look for order blocks. Got an order block there as well. So basically, say the day started here today, and then you would wait for price, just wait for price to rally up on the hour. Price has got to rally up on the hour for you to have a settle in this trading. So you've got number one, trade in the direction of daily EMAs 9 and 18, then drop down to the hour. Number two is wait for the hour to rally up into a significant level, like an order block, a breaker, or create a turtle soup. So I created a turtle soup there, order block here, order block here, perfect sell scenario with this in mind, and then look to take profits below the lows because your stops are all resting there, people's stops, and then if you get through there, look to take more profit here, a bit further down. So from this entry, got 100 pips, and then 115, and then take some off move your stops to break even or take profit, and then wait, just maybe trade in and close it out at a more significant level. So the reason why I'm thinking that this trend has ended now is because we've got a clear low, lower low. Take this candle here, which is your breaker. We've got a respective breaker. Look how it doesn't close. Price doesn't close inside of this candle because there's a lot of buying pressure here. So today you would have actually seen this breaker here form 3 days ago, and you use it to trade. You wait for it to rally up. Yes, you could have traded down as well, very sloppy, but you could have scalped down to here. But with this in mind, I would watch out because you can quite clearly see that price does not want to go below the top of this. It doesn't want to close below it anyway. So we're on for a sell scenario, rather on for a consolidation or a buy scenario. Mark this up here, which is your order block, getting ready to buy because we've come off a breaker, which is your low, your lower low, the up candle before the down move is your breaker. And I've gone into more detail in other videos about breakers, order blocks and turtle soups. They're the 3 main setups I use as a trader of ICT. Okay, so there's how to trade a trend and how you can profit from a trend in the Forex market and almost guarantee yourself results if you can just wait for the rally on the hour. Wait for the rally on the hour. Like this day you wouldn't be trading until it hit a significant order block here. See that, guys? You wouldn't trade until you wouldn't trade. So here's your start of the day. Here's a 5 o'clock 5 o'clock great GMT midnight candle New York. That one. That's where I've got lines there. So after there, I look for an entry. So I would see that there's an order block there. So I would literally just wait till the market came up there, and you wouldn't trade this day. You'd wait for the next day to enter, and then you would trade this to here, which was 93 pips. You would put your stop loss there, take profits there, or you can be a reserve, conservative, and take profits below these lows here. Okay, so let me just get another chart for you guys. Right, okay, so 4 hour turtle soups. So we've got a 4 hour turtle soup here. Let's see if we can actually dive into this in the hour first. No. So yeah, you'd find a 4 hour turtle soup there, then you would drop down into the hour and find a setup smaller, which is the hourly setup, which is actually an order block there. So you'd have a turtle soup and then you would refine your entry with an order block. And you can do it on breakers, on order blocks. You can refine your entries. So if you find a higher time frame order block or breaker, you can refine your entry. So let me show you. There is a clear daily order block, which is really nice. Just one candle, guys. We're just looking for one candle. When you learn this to a T, you just look for this candle here to set up all of this move. So you drop down to 4 hour. You've got your entry there. Drop down to your hour. And then you can turtle soup that and then enter lower if you wanted. And then enter. Then you've got an order block there, which is showing that it's definitely a buy scenario. Fast move up away from the down candle. Smart money buys in down candles. Market comes down. Stops below this low here. Clears them out into an order block. into half of the order block, which is more precise as well. And then rallies, where's it aiming for? It's aiming for these highs here. So the market basically moves, guys, from takes stops, and then it takes stops here. The market's there, it comes down, takes all these stops into an order block, and then it rallies for stops above, because it's took stops below. It rallies for liquidity and stops above. And if you just think that every day, then you know where the market's going. Like today, for instance, here's today. I saw that it rallied up high, and then quite clearly cleared out stops below here, so then it rallied up again, and then you got an order block there. So, and then I seen it rally, and then it took out stops there, took out stops there, so then I knew it was coming down again. And then it rallied on the hour, and because it took out stops there, it didn't really need to go any higher, because stops are then resting below here. So this is why I sold today and caught a few pips on the market. Not 75, I don't think, but I got a fair few pips while I was out with the family, as you do. So you just think, guys, from here, where are your stops? Stops are now down. If you rallied up there, the stops are down here, so then it's going to come down here, and then your order block, so it's going to come back to there to recalibrate, to re-enter a sell, and then comes up again, takes stops, and then stops are here, so then it's going to come down to there, which it did, which is very nice. So I'm going to go into this some more. Let's choose a different pair. AUD USD I don't really trade, so let's take a look at this. Daily. Here's a nice one. So we've got clear daily order block there. Let's look at that. And it red. Might be a long video, guys, but I'm going to go into a lot of detail. I'm going to get you trading like a professional with no indicators. So we've got a daily order block there, and it touches it there, 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 and there. So if we drop down to the 4 hour, we look for total stoop entry on the 4 hour, which is very nice. Then we can look for a breaker. We've got a high, a higher high, got your breaker there. So that's your retest, and then you retrade. You retest and you retrade. This one candle, guys, is just phenomenal. 4 hour. So you got confluence of the daily order block you've seen, then you got a 4 hour breaker. Drop down to the hour. Let's see closer in this, inspect it more. Not really got anything in there, but what we have here is an order block, which on the hour to confluence of the breaker. Because, guys, the market goes from breaker to breaker. So what do I mean by that? Well, the market goes from breaker to breaker. When the market goes from breaker to sell model, breaker to buy model, breaker to sell model, breaker to buy model. So let me find a breaker to start this off. There's one, but it's sloppy. So you got a low, a low, a low, and there's your breaker. So market comes through it and down back onto it. You can buy and buy and buy and buy, and goes up. It's a sloppy one, but now we're in a buy program because of this breaker here. Then it goes up, and then we're still in a buy program because we've not got a significant breaker yet. See, we're still going higher. And then there's a high there and a high there. Sorry, we've got high and then a high. So there's your breaker. It's a very sloppy one, but it starts a sell program. So you got a high, a high, a high, and it comes through it and up on top of it. Sorry, it comes through it and then back to it. You can then look for sells. So it consolidates around, but still drops eventually, which is because of this breaker. Because the algos of Forex market, the market makers flip the algo from buy program to sell program because of the breaker. Got an order block there to continue the downtrend, and then we just look for the breaker for the uptrend. So we have a low, or yeah, a low, a low, a low, and we've got a breaker for the uptrend. And as we've clearly seen before, we've got a breaker for the downtrend. And then this is really nice. You got a low, a low, a low. So there's your low, and then your low, a low. So you've got a low, low, a low. There's your breaker for a buy model, but then into your down breaker. So then once it hits there, you can look for sells again, and then falls off again. So guys, I hope this has been helpful for you guys, talking about daily trends. Daily trends, sell or buy, exactly how to trade them and make money with them. If you're not making money after this video, then I don't know what will make you money in the Forex market, because I've literally just broke it down exactly what you do from start to finish without having any charts up. You can look through them all, look for the ones that are trending the best, and just trade those. So we could have milked this, like I said, from the third month of this month, from March. We could have milked this from March. Let me show you. You got high, higher high, your breaker. Doesn't quite come back to it, but it's broke it to start off a sell program. When it rallies on the daily, sorry, when it rallies on the hour, wait for a significant area to be taken or into an order block, so then sell. So that's how to trade trends and how to make money in the Forex market, guys. So Monday, to be fair, I don't like this order block because this is actually taking it already, so this will actually consolidate for a bit, then decide where it wants to go further down or up. I believe it will come up, and it will come up to this order block here. So once it's consolidated a bit, it will come up give you at least 300 pips to be able to day trade a few days to get 300 pips out the market within a week or two. That's what I've got forecasted for AJ. So it's been Simon Davis, Zone Trader. I hope you've enjoyed the training today. I hope you've took notes so you can go back and revise on what you've learned and learn to master the markets. Until next time, good luck and good trading.